Okay, so now that we have the ears in here, we're gonna unlock the layer so we can see it. Put them into your hide attachments where I want them. Yeah, that's basically it. We have it right there. Now you're gonna edit or make a new user data. I already made that. I'm just gonna show you how to make it again. I have it under where is it? Too much to see. Facial additions and ears. I'll put them right there. Ears. I'm gonna delete that so I can show you how to make it. So a new group, call it ears, and add data. Open up ear types, which is the name. Go from data type float to data type integer, from interface integer to interface Quicktab radio. So now here's the important stuff. We got them right there, and we now have to fill them. Programming starts at 0. It says right there, syntax string new line 0, none, because I want them to be not visible when I have them not selected. So when I have 0 selected, which is none, I don't want to see them. 1 equals, now I gotta check it out. What was the size again? I think normal. 2 is long, 3 is small. So we have one normal, long, and small. These are my ear presets. You can see them at the bottom. Once we have that, I'm just gonna add the color. You don't have to do this, just here, color, float to color, preset the color. It's gonna go there, that thing. Cool, got the standard skin color, and now okay. And if you scroll down to where I edited it, you see like right under there. Yeah, you can see right there. Normal, long, small, and then the color. First of all, I'm gonna edit the color. Right click, Espresso, set driver. So now we have the data from this thing in the like RAM, I guess. Open up the ear color that we want to change. Right click on color, Espresso, and absolute. Put that thing, you can put it in the rig like right there, but I prefer to put it where it should be. So ears, put it right there. So I can delete that. And now, as you can see, when we try to change the color of the ears, watch right there. I'm gonna change it to pink. It changes the color to pink. You see? Same goes for like the actual object. That's why I put the material on top of all of those. So change for all of those 3. Okay, so now we got that. We're gonna go right click on the actual rig, symbol for D-tags. All the way at the bottom you can see Espresso. Open that up. Right click, new node, Espresso, general, and object. So this is relatively, so we go from the object that we right click on. Press on the red thing right there, left click, and now search what you need to. I have it in facial additions, ears, ear types. Control double click so it sizes properly. Now right click, new node, Espresso, calculate an absolute. I don't know why it should be absolute, but like just do it. I don't really know. New node, right click, new node, Espresso, logic, compare, and that you have to do like the amount of times we have to do it. I confused you, I know. We have 4 objects, so none, normal, long, and small. So we need it 4 times. Just hold control and drag it. Now it 4 times. That is good. Connect outputs to input 1 for all of them. Okay. Now we're gonna make them an integer from real. So click on absolute, and you can see it switches. So absolute, absolute to integer. Same for those 4 too. Select them from real to integer. Now that is 0, that is alright. We have to change that second one to 1 since we want normal ones. Then the long ones, and then the small ones. Okay. Now ninode, Espresso, boo, and not, so it turns around. For all of those 4, connect outputs to input. This basically turns around what we do. So if I have that selected without the not, all of these are on and this one is disabled. So we want to turn around so all of them are off and this one is labeled. Okay, now put in this thing, so like the null object, since we don't want to see them when I have not. left click, basic properties, visible in editor, visible in render. Connect those two. Now small, normal, and large. Editor, render, editor, and render, editor, and render. Now we get that. Connect them. Oops, sorry. Now we connected all of those, and yeah, you can see. Let me just show you. We have the ears right there. None of them, none. You can't see anything. Normal. It switches to the normal ones. Long, long, small, small. And if you change the color, it changes too. So that's how the rig works. Easy as that. That's how Quicktab radio works. This is how you make ears or like normal pixelated modeling stuff. And this is how you apply colors. I teach you enough. I'm gone. See ya.